Some free AI tools don't just save you money, they can help you make some. Affiliate programs, freelance services, digital products. This video covers which free tools have real affiliate programs worth your time, and how to turn what you already know into income, including one commission figure that's genuinely murky right now, and why I'm not going to make up a number for you. We talk about free AI tools every week on this channel. Today is different. Today is about turning that knowledge into a real income source. These are the actual strategies this channel uses. Strategy 1. YouTube affiliate income. Every video about a free AI tool is a chance to earn affiliate income when a viewer upgrades. Sign up for the affiliate program of every tool you cover and add links to your descriptions. Honest catch, Canva's affiliate commission is one of the most inconsistently reported figures in this space right now. Depending on the source, it's described anywhere from roughly $36 capped per annual sale to a flat $150, and Canva may have shifted its 2026 program toward a community Canvassiter structure rather than a traditional affiliate sign-up. Don't quote a specific number to your audience. Check Canva's current partner page directly before you publish, and be upfront that terms change. Strategy 2. Freelance AI tool expert. Businesses are looking for people who can set up and optimize AI tool workflows. Position yourself as a free AI tools consultant on Fiverr or LinkedIn, offering to set up a free tool stack for a small business, saving them money while charging a setup fee. This is a services estimate, not a verifiable market rate. Treat any specific price you quote viewers as your own experience, not an industry standard. Strategy 3. Notion and Canva template sales. Create templates, AI tool, dashboards, content calendars, client management systems, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. This is a real low-cost way to turn channel content into a product, though results vary enormously by niche and marketing effort. Avoid quoting guaranteed sales numbers. Strategy 4. AI video production service. Using the free production stack from last week's video, OBS, AiMineLab, DaVinci Resolve, Canva offer video production as a freelance service. One honest note tying back to last video. If you're producing paid client work, you need AiMineLab's commercial tier regardless, so factor that small cost into your freelance pricing. Strategy 5. Course or workshop about free AI tools. A condensed course on Gumroad or Teachable, built from what this channel already covers, is a legitimate, low-effort product for an audience that already trusts your recommendations. As with the other strategies, avoid promising specific income figures. Frame it as a possible path, not a guarantee. 5 ways to turn free AI tool knowledge into income. YouTube affiliates, freelance consulting, template sales, video production services, and courses. Start with whichever matches where you are right now. And always verify commission terms directly with the platform before you tell your audience a specific number, since several of these change without much notice. All links in the description. Subscribe. Next week, we go deeper on scaling whichever of these you pick.